Hello everyone, I'm Cade, and welcome to Cade AI Grove, where you explore how to use AI to create impressive content. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Fliki AI, a powerful tool that helps new creators or small channels easily turn ideas into compelling, professional videos. If you want to take your content to the next level, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Fliki AI account. Click the link in the description to go to the sign-up page. Click Start for Free and choose Email to create a free account. Step 2. Explore the Fliki dashboard. After logging in, you'll see the Home tab where everything begins. Videos, voiceovers, thumbnails, and social posts. The Files section stores all your created projects. You can use ready-made templates to save time. You can also upload your own voice or choose the tone that fits each video. Don't forget to set up your brand kit with your logo and colors to keep your videos consistent and professional. Step 3. Create your first video. Select idea or prompt and type in a short content description. For example, today I typed, "Write a script for a travel video titled Top 5 Scenic Destinations in France." Choose the video length, I'll leave it at 1 minute. In additional resources, you can upload images or footage, or just let Fliki handle everything by clicking Next. Next, choose your preferred style, content purpose, and target audience to match your topic. Step 4. Customize your video. Choose AI media to let Fliki generate visuals automatically. Instead of cinematic style, I'll select realistic, perfect for visual and landscape-focused videos. Just seconds after clicking Submit, your video is ready with script, visuals, AI voiceover, subtitles, and background music.
Dream of your next French escape? France offers breathtaking beauty around every corner, perfect for your travel plans. First, imagine Provence's sun-drenched lavender fields, a true sensory delight. Then, picture the dazzling turquoise waters and charming coastal towns of the French Riviera. Next, explore the majestic chateau nestled along the serene Loire Valley. Don't miss the iconic Mont Saint-Michel, rising dramatically from its bay, an absolute marvel. Finally, discover the majestic peaks and pristine lakes of the French Alps.
Step 5. Edit your video. In the editor, your title is at the top, scenes are on the left, and the preview window is on the right. Add background music. Either let Fliki auto-pick or choose manually from the library. Edit each scene. Drag to reorder. Add or remove scenes. Change visuals and transitions. You can also switch the voiceover to another AI voice for a softer or more travel-themed tone. Step 6. Add subtitles and transitions. Adjust the font, size, and phrase-based subtitle timing for readability. Click Apply to all scenes when done. Add scene transitions like fade or slide, and soft transition sounds for smoother flow. Step 7. Export or preview your video. Click Download to see export options. Free users can only preview videos online. To download in high quality without watermark, upgrade to a paid plan. Then, share your top 5 scenic destinations in France video anywhere you like.
Dreaming of your next French escape? France offers breathtaking beauty around every corner, perfect for your travel plans. First, imagine Provence's sun-drenched lavender fields, a true sensory delight. Then, picture the dazzling turquoise waters and charming coastal towns of the French Riviera. Next, explore the majestic chateau nestled along the serene Loire Valley. Don't miss the iconic Mont Saint-Michel, rising dramatically from its bay, an absolute marvel. Finally, discover the majestic peaks and pristine lakes of the French Alps, offering stunning vistas. These incredible spots promise unforgettable memories and endless inspiration for your next journey. Which one will you explore first?
Step 8. Create your thumbnail. Go back to the main interface and choose Thumbnail under Design. Enter your video title. Then pick a suitable style, purpose, and audience based on your topic. Select AI media for the thumbnail background. Then click Download to save the image. And that's how you can create a professional travel video in just a few easy steps using Fliki AI. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cade AI Grove for more tips on AI, videos, and creative content. See you in the next video.